Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. My name is Jair. I've been quite busy lately adding some height to the garden. So let me show you the 4 different ways that I did that. Let's go. An A-frame, such as this one, is a series of 2 sticks tied together at the top and reinforced with a crossbar such as a bamboo stick. It serves as a great support for your climbing vegetables such as runner beans, which I have also planted in this grow bed. Fun fact, I partially filled this bed out with some mushroom compost, and it's actually producing a shiitake mushroom. So that's a lucky coincidence. In this tower construction over here, I have planted a hop plant because I do brew my own beer. Much like the A-frame, it serves as a great support for your climbing vegetables, or in this case a hop plant, but instead of putting the sticks in a series, you just put them in the ground in a circle and bind it at the top. Not only does it offer a great support for your climbing vegetables, but it's also a very nice decorative piece in your garden. A hop is a very fast growing plant that likes to grab onto things. So I made this spider web like construction in the tower so it has enough places to grab onto. And hopefully it will flourish all the way out to the outside. This is a very simple and basic frame that I made out of a few sticks and some rope. It is a great frame for your lower climbing vegetables, such as peas. And now, my pride and joy out of all the fences, these corner frames that we recently added to the garden that also mark the entrance of the garden. For this year, they will act as support for the pumpkins that we recently added to the garden. These over here are the red curry or the Hokkaido pumpkins, and in the other corner we have butternut squash, and it's the idea that they will grow up and over the frames, saving some horizontal space and also hopefully add a nice decorative part to the garden. Well, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Right on set. Move. These corner frames that we crafted next. So I made this ain't an ain't frame. Good morning. Wacht, nou ben ik